who's joining me here is this racer. He's totally into me today and following me around. He never gets enough screen time, right? He's my big boy racer. He's a sweet boy, just big and goofy. He loves to play. Racer, racer, racer. You done cleaning? Are you gonna do more cleaning? Are you cleaning your big beans? Now, of course, he's looking away. Is it my racer? Is it my racer? He's purring. Is it my racer? Racer, racer. Look at you. You stuck? Get stuck? Here we go. Here are my beautiful kitties. It's Cheese. Look at that boy, huh? And here's his brother Maisie. Also stretching. And then here we got Speedy. Speedster. Here's Racket. And we got Itty Bitty Feline. And here is Racer. And the rest is somewhere in the house. We just went through some crazy tornado watch, thunderstorm, and these two are next to me, my only non-black cats. Black cats are all hiding somewhere right now, and these two are totally chill. Not exactly helping me with work, but being present, right? Oh my god, you're drooling. So we just went through some thunderstorms again, or actually like a tornado watch situation, and they're all gathering here. That's Maisie sniffing Ballito's butt. Maisie was literally just lining up. It's actually Rocket just walked out, but Maisie was lining up next to Rocket, and he's definitely more muscly. And oh no, here's Rocket. Eraser Rocket, itty bitty mama. She loves her housey. And then here we got Bonus. So he's coming around a lot now. And I took Ballito's shirt off and his harness because he started scratching around it, and I guess it started rubbing a little bit on his skin. And so now he's naked again. And orange. He's definitely an orange boy. And so now he's doing better. And I just put some colloidal silver on it, so it helps him, and some other remedies to make his skin a little bit less itchy. And he's been nicer to Bonus as well. But sometimes that happens when they're scared, then they all stick together. And when they're not scared, they get naughty and sometimes fight. Right, Rocket? Yeah, you're Rocky Pucky. Trixie bailed because I was gonna give her her remedies in a syringe, and she hates that. But that also made her stop begging because she just wants to get my attention. Maisie, you're gonna eat something too, okay? Because sometimes when he starts like cleaning like this, that means he's hungry. But I tried giving him some dry food and he didn't want it. And then I put some wet food in front of him. Didn't want it either because it didn't have his favorite freeze-dried chicken on top. He's a little spoiled, right? This muscly boy, a 12-pounder. Call him 12-pounder. My baby girl is on the throne. She's on the very top, and she's already waiting for me to do some work. And while I'm doing some work, she's going to sleep. That's when she feels like, okay, now I can go back to sleep. She just had 2 breakfasts. The Veruva kitten chicken au jus that she ate upstairs. And that's why she woke me up earlier. And then she had a full plate of roasted chicken with the skin, unseasoned chicken, her favorite. And if I don't give it to her like a couple times a day, she'll be really naughty. You doing good? Yeah, look at you. Look at this. Here's Ballito, Rocket, Chase, and Racer who licked him. That's Edie Beatty. I got Trixie. And here we got Speedy. They're my office helpers. Speedy, we already had dinner, Speedy. And you guys didn't like it that much. Some reason they only eat a little bit of sardines and then they leave stuff behind. And only half of them like the sardines. Look at Chase. Chase doesn't like fish at all. He likes the trout Fancy Feast pate. But he's not too much into the very fishy stuff. You guys are silly. You guys are so silly. Hello. Hi, Speedy. You guys want a snack? A little bit bedtime snack? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Look who we got here. She's all comfortable. She just had some chicken. They love this top spot. I only saw like a couple of them using the downstairs section. That's Racer. That's Speedy. Itty Bitty. Ballito. Rocket. Oh no, that's Speedy. And that is Rocket. And I'm missing Bonus and Maisie. Bonus already had some food, so I'm gonna save it. Trixie had her chicken. And then I'm gonna just save it for them. And Maisie's gonna come down here when he's done sleeping. He liked sleeping. Rocket wanted me to come out here and show me how nice it is. Of course, now he woke everybody else up. There's Speedy over there. Trixie. And there's Chase up here. Hello, Speedy. Hello, Chasey. Yeah. I'm not seeing Bonus. I think he's on the balcony. Rocket. And then, obviously, we got Ballito here. And there's the Maisie. Maisie. It's Itty Bitty over there. Itty Bitty. Guys having a good time? It's a little windy out, but it's a beautiful day today. And the afternoon sun isn't coming all the way in quite yet. It's just so gorgeous outside. And I've been doing business paperwork. Maybe I'll take a little break and play with these guys, but I think they just want to eat something now. She's drinking water. I mean, she's going to be ready to eat. Keep your caboodle healthy. Check out our favorite natural remedies in the description below.